Yo, what's going on? This is your boy Crass, and I wanted to make this special video for the elite producers. So I'm in my new creative space. You see Jimmy over there in the background. I'm taking it to another level, y'all. I want to teach other producers how to grow a business, how to make it so that they can sell beats. You can sell courses. You can make money the whole way while you're building your beat business. And I feel that that's the outcome you're really looking for. So let me know if I'm on point. You know, what you're really looking for is to make money the way you want to make money, creatively, doing the things that you enjoy doing the things that you're best at, all the while building your producer business. So if I'm hitting on something, let me know. So anyway, our content. How do we make content as producers, and how do we have content that speaks directly to the artists that we're focusing on? Well, there's a formula. It's called PAS, problem, agitate, solve. What we want to do is make sure that we call out to our audience. Yo, attention artists, attention artists. So what's their problem? Well, attention artists, most artists have an issue getting buzzed, getting heard, getting streams. They want to be famous, they want to be household names, but they don't exactly know how. And we keep describing the problem. The problem is that they're unknown, and yet they still don't release enough music. They might release a song every month or two, or every other month, or even worse, like once every 4 months, and then wonder why nothing's really working out for you. So the reason why I'm putting this video together is to help you artists and to help you see that you need a consistent source of beats. You need a producer that's going to be there for you, that's going to work with you, that's going to develop you and your sound with you. So if this sounds like it's something that will help you, click the link below. I'm taking a couple artist applications right now. I'll be reviewing them, and I'll get back to you if it sounds like it's something that we should pursue together, or something like, or if it's something that would be a good fit for you. So what did I do in that content? I called out to the artist, I discussed their problems, and I connected their problems with a solution. And that's what you want to do in your content. You also want to help them. You know, you can add an aspect of motivation, you can add an aspect of encouragement, you can add an aspect of helping them. Say, just telling them straight out, hey artists, you know, it's important that you release more music. You want to get a buzz, but nobody ever hears any songs from you. You need to release more music. If you want to move closer to your dreams, release more music. I've got the beats for you. Click the link below. Let's get started. Let's go. So that's the type of content you want to put out. You want to put out content that helps your artists, content that helps them. Even if they don't buy a beat from you, you still want to put out the type of content that helps them. It brings them a little bit closer to their goals. And that's how you build a very, very strong bond for them and through your video marketing. So it applies just to your specific audience, and it applies to all of them. So it's very important that you master that, you get used to that, you start creating videos and content like that. You look to help them out with their problems, you find out what their problems are. With all this outreach that you're doing to the artists, you ask them questions. Well, what challenges are you having? What problems are you having? And listen to them. Listen to what they tell you, and then put on your solutions hat and work towards fixing those problems with the tools and with the things that you offer. So if that makes sense, let me know, ask me questions on it, follow up, and let's take your video marketing to the next level.